Okay guys, this is Unomas signing in again in YouTube. As usual, I want to teach you another tutorial, an Unomas tutorial, fast and easy way. Okay guys? So let's do this right away. The title of my tutorial is this: Unomas tutorial, how to use Revolution Box fast and easy. Unomas fast and easy. Okay? If you want to subscribe or to know a lot about things of my tutorial, just PM me in unomas05@yahoo.com. And of course, you want to have this tools, you must have a TeamViewer. Okay, download TeamViewer so I can send the files to you. Okay guys, let's start. Okay, first, I'm already in a Yahoo chat room using a Y client, which is Y Supra. Yahoo Messenger client, which is Y Supra. Now I will open my voice client, which is Revolution Box. Okay, open the program. Okay, just close it. If pages pop up, just close it. Okay, this way. Okay, now you see, first things first is you log in your ID, then your password, then the rooms, is Luzon 4. Select a room, then log in. Getting cookie, connecting to server. ID is online. You see that? ID is online. So next thing you do is join the room. Let's wait for the CAPTCHA. Type the CAPTCHA. Send it. There you go. It's in the room. Now, what you will do, from login panel, you go to voice panel. Okay guys, from login to voice panel. Okay. To have your bots have a BC in the room, okay, using Revolution Box, click in voice on. Unblock. And let's wait till it's voice connected. See, it's voice connected. Your voice, your Revolution Box ID that you use have a BC now in the room, which is Unomas0001. Okay, now guys, to IGI a person in a Box Revolution, double click the ID in the room. Falcons 67, someone stepping in the room in the BC. IGI here, see, IGI, and there's an option. Okay, option auto join voice after enter. This is when you enter the room, you will have an automatic voice. Ignore new arrivals. Everybody who arrived in the room will be ignored. Ignore voice user. Everyone who step in the room will be ignored by voice. Okay, cloak mode, auto join after login. Save username, password. Okay. See, in this place you will see the person who's stepping in the BC, which is Falcon 67. Okay, no user on the mic. So to step in the BC, just press talk and you're in the BC. 6 of 6. See guys, C6. Okay guys, this is another and fast easy tutorial of Unomas, another Yahoo tools, one of my tools. Okay guys, if you want to subscribe, just PM me at again unomas05@yahoo.com. You must have a TeamViewer for me to transfer some files into your PC, okay? So this is Unomas signing out. YouTube, I love you guys. I love you. Thanks for the view. Thanks for the comment on my YouTube video. Bye.